Hello student. In the last class we have learned how to do or how to use trigonometric substitution in integration. Keneke ami integration and trigonometric substitution koribo lage olopan kotha idea paisu. So today I will start exercise 7.3. Our first question is integration sine square twice x plus 3. Tumalok aji moi exercise 7.3 ko etaman questions kori dim. So your first you see you have sine square twice x plus 5. So here we have square of sine function. In the last class I have discussed how to do the square of sine function. Square of sine function can be integrated by converting it in terms of cos of double angle. So here also I can use that formula, but before that I have to use a substitution for this expression, because then only it will be converted to sine of square of the function. Okay, so what I am going to do? First you put twice x plus 5 equal to another variable so that it convert to the standard or known formula. Twice x plus 5, that is equal to ddx of t. Taking derivative 2, ddx of x is 1. On the right side we have dt dx. So bring it to the left side. As only dx is there, so I'll put only dx on the left and half of dt is there. So use the substitution here. It becomes sine square t and this is equal to half of dt. This half is a multiplication, half is product with sine square t. So product constant will be not affected, so bring it outside. Now you convert sine square into the known form, that is what? We have sine square x is half of 1 plus cos twice x, half of 1 minus cos twice x. So sine square t will be equal to what? Half of 1 minus cos of 2t into dt. As I have derived in the last video, I have discussed all these things. Just by this way I have converted. Tumalke khodai ki koriba square function deta sine by cosor thake cosor double angle le loi jaba. Negative thakibo. So this 1 by 4 will be constant and this is integrable. Integration of I can do derivative integration directly now. So integration of dt is t minus what about integration of cos twice t is sine twice t by 2 plus the integration. Okay. And then you change your t, that is 1 by 4. T is what? Twice x plus 5 minus this is 1 by 8. Okay, and then sine of 2t. 2t means what? Twice x plus 5 plus c. I can combine these things by constant. I can remove if you want, or otherwise you can keep it like this. Enake thubo para ba aru eta bracket open kori likhi dibo para. Minus 1 by 8, this can be written as sine of 4x plus 10. Enake likhibo para if you want like that. So here this first solution is completed. Hope you understand the method. Now I go to the next. All the questions are integrate the following. So I now go to the question number 2. All the method, various method we have to know in case of trigonometric substitution. Sine thrice x and here we have cos 4x into dx. When this type of questions are there, this type means when you have the product of sine of an angle and cosine of an angle, another angle, or sine or sine or cos, cos or cos, like that. Tumalokor jetia enikwa dhৰণৰ product function bur thake, sine or beleg angle, cos or beleg angle, ba sine or cos or sine or beleg angle, ako sine or beleg angle, or cos, there are different angles are there. Then what are the formulas we have to use? You see these formulas. You know na formulas. Sine of A cos of B is equal to what is the formula? Half of, or 2 times is there. In your formula we have 2 times also, you can write. This is what? Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. This formula, or because you have sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, both are cancelled, and this way. You have 4 formulas like this. Enikwa formula asile. Depending on the question you have to use these things. So when there is sine A cos A, or sometime you may have sine B cos A, this way also it may be present. Then what you have to do? Sine B cos A, second term you have to keep it as it is. So sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. You see on derivation, 2 you can bring to the right side, no problem will be there. So you have to be sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, sine A cos B minus plus, that is cancelled and 1 is left. So here also if I have both of them are cos A cos B, what to do? You have to use the formula for cosine. When there is cos of and sine together will come when cos is there. So cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, this formula. Because you have cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B cancel out and this is left. Similar way, we have one more formula for sin A sin B also. You can use there when there is both of them are sine. Here you see which one I have to use. Either this or this. It's depend on you. Positive, if you want to get positive expression, bring the first term as the greater one and second as the smaller one. Or otherwise, negative palo hamara kono problem nai. So I am doing it directly. That is what I want to convert this in terms of, that means always convert the product is a sum. Product or ami ki korim sum hole convert kori. So what I am going to do, we have 2 is on this side, I am going to use this formula. 2 I will write down it as a half. So what I am going to get here, it is sine of A plus B, that means thrice x plus 4x plus sine of A minus B, thrice x minus 4x whole into dx. This is the formula. তোমালোকে আকৌ ব্ৰেক কৰি চাব পাৰা, sin A plus B sin of A minus B formula use কৰিলে আকৌ তোমালোকৰ একে ধৰণৰ ৰিজাল্ট পাবা. So the next step, half is constant, come out. It is what? Integration of thrice x plus 4x is 7x plus sine is there, this minus x into dx. Okay, there is a bracket you have to put because the dx is we put. Half is there. It is integrable. Sine 7x is integrable. Mx. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So it will be equal to minus sine x whole into dx. Now you see both of them are converted to integrable function without doing any substitution. What is the integration of sine 7x? It is minus cos 7x by 7. This is again minus is there. Sine of cos, this is minus minus plus will be there. Plus cos x by 1, don't have to write, plus c. Doing one more step, minus 1 by 14 cos of 7x minus this is plus cos of x plus c. So here this second solution is completed. Hope you understand the method. In case of product of 2 expression, product of 3 expression, or up to product of 4, this way I can do the solution. Any solutions remember those formulas, I will go to used everywhere. So now next I am going to do the product of 3 functions are there. Number 3, integration of cos twice x, cos 4x, cos 6x into dx. So when both of them are cos, which one I have to use? This one, this part. This part of the formula will go to use. That means convert it, but I can do it for 2, product of 2, not for product of 3. First you do the product of 2 function, apply the formula for product of 2, do the calculation, then you use for the product of 3 functions. Okay, extend. So what I am going to do here, this is equal to what? Half. I will go to use this 2 first. Then it will be equal to what? Cos of A plus B, that is twice x plus 4x, plus cos of A minus B, that is twice x minus 4x. Okay, half is with both of them. I just wrap the thing. Because I don't have space here. So first 2 terms are combined, but there is one more, that is cos of 6x into dx. Now do the simplification part, half is constant. Integration is what? This will combine, give you cos of 6x, this is cos of minus twice x is there, na? Into whole into cos of 6x into dx. That is done. So next what we'll go to do? Half is there. Do the product. That will become cos square 6x. Cos of minus theta will be equal to cos theta. So plus will be there. Cos of 2x into cos of 6x whole into dx. This can be done like this. Now again it is not integrable. So again I can convert. So how to convert? Half. It is in the form of cos square x. Cos square can be written as half of 1 plus cos twice x. Is not it? So I have used this square formula. Okay. So half of 1 plus cos twice x. 2 times of 6x is 12x. First part is done. Bracket is there. Plus, again I have to use here cos C cos D or cos A cos B. That is equal to what? Half of cos of A plus B plus, this half is common, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B into dx. This is done. Next, I'll break the bracket. Okay, otherwise it may confuse you. So 1 by 4 is there. Integration is here. I have to use what? Integration of dx plus half, and this one is there. Plus half of 1 by 4. This is product with 4 na? 4 hobo. So integration of cos 12x into dx. And again, this half is product with this also, so it become 1 by 4. Integration of, what about this one? It is cos of 8x into dx. Then this is 1 by 4. Cos of, integration of, I'll have here cos of minus 4x, and cos of minus 4x is what? Cos of 4x. So I can write down it as cos of 4x dx. I just skip one step. So after this, the next step, what to do? I just practice things. Now do the simplification, or where possible do the integration. So 1 by 4 is there. Integration of dx equal to what? X. Half is there. 1 by 4 is there. Integration of 12x is what? Sine of 12x by 12. Sine mx form. Plus 1 by 8. Cos of 8x. That is what? Sine of 8x by 8. Plus 1 by 4. It is sine 4x. It is sine 4x by 4 plus c. One more step I have to do. That is x by 4 plus 1 by 48 sine of 12x plus 1 by 64 sine of 8x. Now product kori disu 1 by 16 sine 4x plus c. So here the solution is completed. Hope you understand the method, how to do this type of questions. Is the method clear to all of you or no? Try to clear this type of things. So next I go to the next question, that is, I have done one mistake, just a minute. 1 by 4 is there, na? So it will be 1 by 4. Sorry for that. Sorry, this is 32. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, now I go to the next question, that is your question number 4. Hope you understand this method now. Now I am going to question number 4. These are little bit lengthy questions. So your question number 4 is sine cube twice x plus 1. Integration of sine cube twice x plus 1 into dx. Now you see, this is a question of cube, odd power of sine. I can use the procedure of doing an odd power of sine, but before that you have to use the substitution for twice x plus 1. So do the substitution for twice x plus 1. Twice x plus 1 equal to t. So 2 dx equal to dt. This one, these are obvious to you now. Hope তোমাকে এখানে বুঝি পাওয়া হয়ে গৈছে মই এখানে স্কেপ কৰি কৰিছো So half is constant, come out. It become sine cube t and dx is dt. Half I have written outside. So sine cube t. How to do sine cube t formula? Yes, separate square and odd. One odd, eta odd বাহিৰত লৈ লোৱা আৰু বাকি ইভেন থাকি যাব. Sine square t into sine t dt. Again I have to use substitution because sine t dt I have to get. So substitution will be, this can be obtained when I put cos. So convert this sine in terms of cos using 1 minus cos square t. Hope you remember the method. Jete tumalকৰ এনেকুৱা থাকে তোমালোকে কি কৰিব লাগিব? Square of cos function লিখবা to convert in terms of square of cos function. Then put again the substitution what? I have to put this cos t is equal to say u. Then cos t derivative is minus sin t. Minus sin t dt is equal to du. So sin t dt is equal to minus du. Okay. So this is equal to half. It is what? 1 minus t u square. Right? U square. And sin t dt is minus du. Minus sign I am writing outside and this is u. Now all these are integrable. Minus half. Integration of du, hope I can do it directly. Integration of du is u plus half u cube by 3 plus c. Again back the substitution. That means first you change u in terms of t, then t in terms of x. Ultimately the answer in terms of x you have to write. Okay. So I'll just break back. That is equal to minus half of, what is u? U means cos t. Minus half is there. Plus this is 1 by 6. Which is u means cos t. So it will be cos cube t plus c. Now the next step, I have to change t in terms of x. That is what? Twice x plus 1 plus 1 by 6 cos cube twice x plus 1 plus the constant of integration, that is equal to what? C. And hope you understand the method, how to do this type of questions. So this is the solution of question number 4. Okay. Now I try to do one more question, number 5. Let us go to now question number 5. Your question number 5 is integration of sine cube x into cos cube x dx. You see, both of them are now odd. So যেতিয়া তোমালোকৰ দুইটা odd থাকে, you can substitute any one of them. যিকোনো এটা তুমি even oddলে convert কৰি লোৱা আৰু substitution to use কৰা. So I'm just converting it cos to মই separate কৰিলো যিটো মন যায় তোমালোকৰ. I have separated cos square x into cos x dx. I want to get derivative of cos now. Answer to derivative of cos পাব লাগিব, তেতিয়া আমি sin substitute কৰিম. So I have to change the remaining all in terms of sin. This is the procedure. In terms of sin, by using sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 cos x into dx. So what is the substitution? Put sin x equal to t. Then sin x derivative is cos x dx equal to dt. So it is convert to what? It is t cube 1 minus t square and this is dt. So now integrate product do first 5 into dt, sorry. This is integrable t to the power 4 by 4 minus t to the power 6 by 6 plus c. Now change this 1 by 4, t means sine to the power 4x minus 1 by 6 sine to the power 6x plus c. So this is the solution of, there is minus sign or not? So here the solution is completed. Okay, this question can be done by using the opposite substitution also. That means sine cos cube, we keep it as it is, sine square and sin x dx. That way also we can do. Answer will be a little bit different, but both of them are correct. So today I stop here. Next video I'll try to do the remaining some few questions of this.